Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad HANIF CB17193, and I'm from Session 1A, Software Quality Assurance. Okay, today I will talk a bit about the principle and contribution of total quality management gurus on business quality improvement. So basically, in this paper, we want to highlight the key principle that being introduced atau being introduced by the gurus. Gurus is basically a teacher or the one with the high level, or we have good knowledge about this field, the software quality. So there are many gurus, but I will list the name. The first one is Deming, Crosby, Juran, Feigenbaum, Ishikawa, and other to improve the business quality, and basically in the 20th century. So what is basically total quality management? Total quality management is basically the idea or opinion or set of thinking of how we want to improve the product and services that can improve the that can satisfy the customer, that can hold in the market, and the sale we succeed in the business. Okay, that is the main objective of total quality management. Okay, the first one is we will talk about Deming contribution and principle, the first guru. And this guru is basically popular because of his Deming cycle, which have 14 point and the 7 daily disease. And it also developed shape work cycle, PDSA, as and we will be called often as PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act. So basically, this process, what it can do to improve the quality is P is basically stand for plan. We plan how we, of course, you have already product. So what the thing that you need to do to improve the quality of the product? So you discuss with your team, you plan, and basically when you already plan and you want to proceed, you go to another process, which is do. So you do the thing that you already planned just now, and once you do it, you test it, is it work? So you check, plan, do, check, right? You check, you observe the output of your plan. And act is basically if you want to implement the thing that you already planned, or what you can learn from your planning, is something like that. And he popular with Deming cycle, like I said just now, 14 points. And what I can highlight is basically this principle to lead a company in obtaining quality improvement. And the first one is create constancy of purpose for improvement product and services. So basically, to increase the product quality, we need to give like something like services, warranty, something like that, and adopt the new philosophy, adding updating the method. So when the times come, there will be a new method, new kind of way to do things, or new algorithm to improve the quality of the system, or maybe a new software. So we need to adapt to the changes. And practice of avoiding business on price stand alone. So basically, when we do something like when we do a system, what we need to focus on the quality of the product once we release to the market. We do not care about the profit that you get. Just focus on the quality that it will give customer satisfaction. Constantly and forever improve system of production and service. So basically, we need to always keep improving, like doing maintenance. So there might be a defect in the future that might come up, and the software changing, the updating of Windows, something like that, the updating of the system. So we need to continuously updating to adapt with the real world changes of industry changes. And the second one is also popular with 7 deadly disease. The disease that might cause the quality of the system, quality of the company, they affect the quality of business. So the first one is lack of consistency of purpose to plan, conduct and services. So basically we need to plan further ahead. So lack of plan will cause will make the company become cannot provide the good quality. Emphasize on short-term profits. When you do a product or business, we need to have a long vision. Okay, there's 5 more, and the probability of mention. But I think the one that we should focus on, some of the thing that we need to focus on is the thing that I just said. Okay, the second guru is Juran contribution principle. He is the most influence regarding about the quality of improvement after Deming, and he focused on managerial aspect in quality. So he introduced gerontology, which I have quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. So in quality planning, we plan, we set the goal, we identify the customer, what the customer need, and establish the process, develop the project feature. Yeah, we just focus on customer, what the customer want, we try to focus, we plan to improve the quality. And the second one is the quality control. We compare actual performance with quality goal and add the different. Quality improvement is we identify the improvement of the project based on what we're planning, and to do that we establish project team, we provide a team resources, training and motivation, so that what we planning we can do it. And he also believes that quality have the relationship with the satisfaction of customer with the product or services. So he introduced 10 steps to quality improvement to improve satisfaction of customer. So the first one is build awareness of the need and opportunity for improvement. So basically we need to have aware what customer want, what customer really want and need to upgrade into the system. Set goal for improvement. So when basically we have feedback, then we try to improve it, and we organize reach goal. Yeah, we provide training, carry out project to solve problem, report progress. Alright. Okay, the third guru is Crosby. Crosby contribution and principle. His concept is zero defect. When he called we said zero defect doesn't mean that that product is perfect, but basically it means that the customer deserve the thing that supplier promise. So if the product like said the product should be have the requirement like this, so the customer deserve the requirement like that, means you see like that means it will come out like that. And according to zero defect definition, so we have 4 absolute that they are based on TQM philosophy. First one is quality is defined as conformance to requirement. Second, quality come of the system that is based on prevention. Third one, quality performance standard is to defect, not that is close enough. Quality measurement is the price of non-conformance. Okay, the next is Feigenbaum contribution and principle. Total quality control today as total quality management, TQM is virtually equivalent with his name. So the approach is the 3 steps to improve quality that I agree is quality leadership, quality technology, and also organizational commitment. So based on the step, we can, based on the step, we have fundamental idea of how it approach. So quality is company-wide process. Quality is what customer say is. So it means that customer that rate what the quality of product. Quality and cost are some, not different. Quality way managing, quality ethic. He described TKM following this principle: quality first, not short-term profit first. Customer orientation, not producers orientation. The next step is your customer breaking down the barrier of sectionalism, using fact and data to make presentation, utilization of statistical method, respect for humanity explanation. Okay. It concept is strictly want to bring production worker, maintenance, design engineer and manager together in organized meeting to solve the problem. Okay, that's all for the gurus.